I mean, you really gotta sit there and ask yourself, like at least I've asked myself, why do so many men still struggle with getting a girl when we live in a world that is more connected than ever and you have more women at your disposal than your fathers and your fathers' fathers ever did? You have an infinite pool of women and you gotta ask yourself, yo, why don't I got one? Well, I'll tell you, here's why. Number one, you're not embracing that masculine frame. See, a masculine frame is confident, it's dominant, it's responsible, it's trustworthy. See, if you are not living to those standards, which will be your fullest potential, women will notice that weakness and look for a man that's as close as possible to those standards. Which takes us on to number two. You don't try to level up. See, the mentality that most men have is that they have to stay where they're at. You don't. See, there is a reason why 80% of the women are dating the top 20% of men. Those are the top 20% of men that are physically, financially, and charismatically on the top of the pyramid of all other men. But here's the crazy part. Those are characteristics and attributes anybody can build up. You have to achieve to be more. And an easy way to start this is actually build up that confidence. Build it up with your hygiene. Build it up with how you dress and how you look. For example, you know having a beard, yeah, that's attractive. Every girl loves a guy with a beard. This makes you look more dominant, more confident. It structures your face. And I get it. Maybe you can't grow a beard. Your brother got you covered. See, your brother has you. Right now, today, boys, we're dropping our new line of He Grooming, where not only includes 4 new products, it includes a beard growth serum. This is a beard growth oil. It's using some of the best oils in the world, but it's also using oils that are scientifically proven to help boost beard growth. We use turmeric. We use castor oil. We also have it infused with biotin and other essential oils to hydrate the skin and hydrate the beard. These oils have been scientifically proven to help stimulate dormant hair follicles so you can get that thicker, better looking beard. And here's the best part. Since it's all made of natural ingredients, it has no side effects. You don't have to worry about the itchiness or the flaking or any other weird effect. And it's something you can use once or twice a day to not only moisturize the beard, but promote that healthy growth so you have that dominant beard that makes you more confident, that makes you look good. On top of that, boys, we're dropping our new luxury line of body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, which smell ridiculously amazing. It smells like a high-end fragrance, and when you use it, you're never gonna go back to the regular stuff. And we're also dropping a curling cream, which if you have wavy or curly hair like I do, this is like the best curling cream in the market. Yo, I've been trying this out for over 6 months to get it just right because, yo, nobody's making curling creams for men. I got you covered as well. See, when it comes to hygiene, we here at He Grooming, we got you covered on all 9 and our new launch, boys, you're not going to want to miss. If you guys want to check out those products, they're going to be linked down below. Number 3, you don't expand your social circle. The biggest fairy tale BS pile of doo-doo that men believe, or actually a lot of people believe, is that the moment you stop trying, that's when the right person comes in. No, that's BS. That is a lie. The moment you stop trying is the moment that no girls stop coming in because nobody's coming in the funnel. No beautiful, perfect woman's just going to bump into you and automatically fall in love with you. When you stop looking for women stop coming. It's that simple. So I want you to expand your social circles. I want you to join more interest groups, more hobbies, whatever your hobbies are. I don't even care if it's dogs, if it's salsa classes. I don't care what your hobbies are. Find people that do what you do. There's Facebook groups for it. There's forums. You can join groups at your college. There's so many different groups for personal hobbies that you can start joining to increase those social groups and increase the amount of women you're connecting with. Which rolls into number 4. You don't understand female nature. Women are biologically engineered to want to achieve the most capable, most high-value man they can. See, they think this way because they know that that man will increase her chances and her offspring's rate of survival, given that she assumes that those high-value men have the resources or the intelligence or brain capacity to be able to amass or accumulate resources in their lifetime. But most men don't get this part. Most men don't understand this, and what happens is the moment that she feels that she's better than you, that she brings more to the table, that she earns more than you, that she's more assertive or dominant or has better leadership than you, that's the moment she's out. Rolls on to number 5. You freeze up when you talk to women. And this is purely lack of practice. Look, there is no get-rich-quick scheme when it comes to talking to women. You have to actually go out there and do it and break that nervous tick you got there. And when you do, you're going to notice it's not as bad as it looks. See, what I want you to do, and I've told you multiple times, make it a challenge for you. The next month, the next 30 days, you will go out and talk to at least one random girl at the park, at the mall, at your school. I don't care where it is. You're going to talk to one random girl, and I don't care what you talk about. What you do need to work on is your approach, your engagement, your building connection, your sexual escalation, and more importantly, as you get better, closing, which is getting that number or getting her Snap or her Insta, some form of communication where you can keep it going later on in the day. Which rolls us on to number 6, and it's you look for perfection. You'll make every excuse under the sun as to why a certain girl is not the perfect one for you, so you're not pursuing. Really, it's just a coping mechanism to not actually grow a pair and not date a woman because you're too scared to approach her. You have fear and anxiety to tell her that you like her or try to go for that. So what guys end up doing is they start rejecting her by making up all these things that that girl has wrong, that she's not perfect for them for, to avoid actually going up there and talking to the girl and building a connection and trying to escalate that sexual tension. See, the problem is you can't be picky, bro. You need to start somewhere and build up. Once you start getting good with talking to girls, you can start being a little bit picky and thinking what attributes you like and dislike. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget Heat Grooming just dropped. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.